Good day, everyone. I'm going to open the R software, and whenever you open the R software, by default, it provides you with the R console. Almost in all cases, we are not going to use this R console solely for doing our works in R. Rather, we will use different types of IDE. Most probably and most favorably, we will use RStudio, and maybe after some time, after a few days, people will be starting to use positron. Yet sometimes this R console is also useful, particularly when we want to do a small coding or small operations to be done by R. For example, let's say we just want to know about a function, how does it work? So we want help from R. So we can just press a question mark, and then the function name is mean. So if we press enter, then we can see we have got some kind of help from R, and we can go through it. The same thing can also be done from RStudio, because RStudio itself has one panel dedicated for R console. Anyway, in the R console, you will see a symbol which is like greater than. Okay, this is actually the command prompt, because we also have a cursor blinking just right to this symbol. So this is where R is actually waiting for our command. For example, if we want to ask R to add 2 and 3, so it is 2 plus 3, and then press enter, we'll get the output. So our console is actually the place where you can provide input and also get the numeric or character outputs. Another thing I want to mention, if your command is incomplete and you press enter, then you may see one plus sign. That means R is waiting for the remaining part of your command, because 2 plus, you have not said anything, you have not typed anything, it is not complete. So now you can press OK, 5. Now press enter, and you get 2 plus 5 equals 7. Normally, when you start the R console, you get different information about the version of the software and all this thing. So in most of the cases, we don't have any use of them, but sometimes you may want to check which version you are using. From this platform, actually, you can also open other things like our editor or our document or all this thing, but I'm not going to show all this thing because it is more convenient and more efficient and more time saving, to do all these things in RStudio. But still, it is good to learn about the R console, the basic, how does it appear. I hope that you have understood. Thank you very much.